So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you another newly launched base meme coin here, a super low cap meme coin. Okay, but very unique meme coin here. Okay, so you have to just for the complete video and make sure to like video and subscribe the channel. First of all, you can see AppPepe's name, and this meme coin is created by combining app and Pepe. Okay, you can see app and Pepe, and the symbol is AppPepe. Right now, this meme coin is listed on Coin Market Cap here. Okay, you can also check out all further details here that so you can see self-reported circulation supply is 100%, 210 trillion total supply. Okay, here you can see total supply, max supply 210 trillion FFA coin is working on Polygon blockchain. Here you can see Polygon blockchain. You can also copy its contract address here, and we can also verify this meme coin on Polygon scan. Okay, here you can see on Polygon scan number of holders are 284,000 holders, 284,000 holders on Polygon scan, 210 trillion supply. Okay, you can also check out all further details here. Okay, the number of addresses, number of holdings here, that's good. Okay, and we can also check out his website later, but you can see it's all further details that this is the Polygon ecosystem meme coin. Okay, this is the meme coin on Polygon scan blockchain, so that's why this meme coin is very unique because working on Polygon blockchain. Okay, and already listed in Uniswap exchange. Okay, you can also check out all further details here. Okay, first let's now we have to move on their website. So friends, so you can see website is looking good. App and Pepe. App Pepe, unlike many fake meme coin, it is driven by power of community and fully prepared for success. There's no end to the top. Okay, you can see it's all further details on their website. You can buy this meme coin on Uniswap exchange. I will show you its process later here. You can follow them on Twitter X. You can check out the chart on DAX tool. Okay, I will share you here. Okay, you can also follow them on Telegram. You can also buy this meme coin on Coin Market Cap. This is their official logo. Okay, you can see how to buy Epicoin. Okay, Epicoin. First of all, you have to install MetaMask from Play Store or Google Store. Okay, after that you have to deposit the Polygon. Okay, you can buy Polygon from any central exchange and then transfer into MetaMask. After that you have to connect your wallet here. Okay, if you check contract address is app, you can copy is app contract address from the official website also, as I already show you here. Okay, you can see enter the amount. Okay, from which amount you want to buy here, so you can buy this. So you can see exchange by app. Okay, so Uniswap is the only DEX, okay, where this meme coin is right now listed, but you can see coming soon. So these exchanges, maybe we can see maybe MEXC, Get.io, these type of centralized exchanges maybe can list this meme coin in future, because you can see they are also showing you on their website coming soon. So I think these are the centralized exchanges where this meme coin can be listed in future. Okay, tokenomics is also good. Okay, you can see as I already told you 210 trillion supply. Okay, 210 trillion supply, that's good. 210 supply, 70% tokens are for airdrop, 10% token for DEXs and circulation supply, 10% for centralized exchange listing, and 10% you can see reverse. And this is their burn address also. These tokens are also burned, and you can see this is a community driven meme coin. Okay, on Polygon blockchain. Okay, you can also read out all further details here. And friends, I will also show you its roadmap. Here you can see we are in its phase 1. Here you can see DEX listing is also completed, Coin Market Cap listing is completed. Okay, as I already show you, this meme coin is listed on Coin Market Cap. Okay, in step 2, they will list their meme coin on centralized exchange. Okay, in step 2, so that's why it will be very unique when it be listed on centralized exchanges. Okay, I'm also waiting for centralized exchange listing. Then when we see centralized exchange listing, after centralized exchange listing in step 3, this is amazing that we see it tier 1 exchange listing. Okay, you can see one tier exchange 1 listing. So this is amazing friends. In step 3 we can see is tier 1 exchange listing. That is amazing, top of memes. That is amazing. Okay, you can also check out all further details here. I will show you, these are his partners. Okay, LA meme tweety. Okay, and the all other, here you can see these are the partnership, Bitcoin, Gbox. Okay, and Goldbin, Saga, Beer Street. Okay, T-Board, Hashking, Hot Coins. Okay, and Coin Home, Gcore. There are too many partnerships, so that's why this is awesome. And there are many other partnerships that are coming soon. Okay, you can see here. Okay, these are partnerships are completed. Here you can see Meta Chain, but these partnership they will do in future. Okay, that's why they are coming soon. Here you can see contact, you can also contact them. And friends, we can also follow them on Telegram. Okay, I will also show you. So friends, you can see on their official Telegram group, you can see 43,824 members. That's amazing. Okay friends, you can see AppPay's official Telegram group, and this is amazing. 43,824 holders. This is amazing, friends. Okay, and you can also check out all further details here. You can also vote here. Friends, this is their official Telegram channel. Okay, you can see the king of internet, Pepe. Okay, and it's all further details on their Telegram channel. You can also check out further details here. First, you can also check out chart. Okay, chart was initially here, you can see was straight. After that is make a good pump here, then recovery, then a good pump, and right now its price is pumping here. Okay, you can see on DEX scanner. You can also scan. It's all details here with pair of Rep Matic. Okay, APP and Rep Matic on Uniswap. Okay, so its chart is also available here. Coin has currently 6 zeros in its price, 0.6 times 0.9 $2. Soon this will kill a zero here. And friends, on you can see DEX score is 99. That is awesome. Contract is verified. Okay, and buy text no, sell text no, honeypot no. So this is good. You can see verify external edition. So you can also check out this. And friends, as I already show you is partners, so you can also check out partners here. So this is amazing. So friends, this was full detailed review. Okay, so if you wanna buy this meme coin, you have to do your own research and then invest here, because investing in meme coins is highly risky. So if you wanna take risk, then you have to invest here. Otherwise, I'm not responsible for any of your trade here.